Hello everyone, welcome to Code Freshly Juiced, and today we are going to be doing part 3 of how to make a clicker game in Scratch. Before we get started, I just want to say, I know I haven't posted in a while, but here I am, and here's part 3, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what you think, and when your projects are done, because I think this will be the last tutorial, send me the link. Hit share on Scratch and send me the link. I'll teach you how to do that at the end of today's tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. If you remember last time, we did the apple, where you click it, it adds clicks. Then we made a bit of the shop. So let's just go and review that. Right? Ooh, lag. So we clicked the apple, and if you look over here, it is increasing per click, or clicks. Right? And God, there's a lot of lag. So if we click on shop now, we have buy the banana and buy the egg. So let's just get to 100 clicks. And we're at 100. And we're going to buy the banana, which adds 1 per click. Oh, forgot I need to have 101, because it leaves me with 1. Alright. And now we get 2 per click. So our clicks go up double the speed. And if we were to buy the egg, which adds 1 per second, yeah, it's going up. Okay, and now let's get into the tutorial for what we're doing next. So I think next we're going to do extra shop items, and it's actually easier than you think. So we're just gonna click on banana here, and we're still in this tab, but we're gonna click on banana. If we head over to backpack, oh, okay, you wouldn't have anything in your backpack, I'm pretty sure. So I'm just gonna delete all these. Delete. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're going to click on the script, or click and drag the script into the backpack. And if the backpack lights up blue, then let go. And where's my program? Okay, if it doesn't go in like mine just did, try again. Backpack is empty. And there we go. So here's our script. All right, and now we're going to take the next bit and drag it into the backpack. And that didn't turn blue, so there we go. And now we have 2. We're going to take the next bit and drag that into the backpack. That's 3. And now we're going to take this last bit here. That's 4. It's a lot less confusing if you have the backpack empty when you start doing this. But, okay, so just click backpack to close. And we'll hit the green flag. And we'll go to shop, and then we'll hit stop again, just so we're in the shop interface. Now we're going to add a new sprite. So naturally, because this is like a healthy food clicker, I'm going to find more healthy food. So I'm going to click on food over here. First I have to wait for this to load. All right, so we're here and we have like apple, banana, we have all this bread, but bread isn't the healthiest. Cake, definitely not. Not cheesy puffs, donuts, eggs, food trucks. Fruit platter, fruit salad. Okay, so now we're getting into some of the healthier ones. I'm liking the fruit salad. Or maybe a strawberry. Yeah, I'll go with the strawberry. My logo is in there, I just realized that. Okay, so now we're going to wait for this strawberry to import itself. And here it is. So now obviously you're going to click and drag it to the place you want. So we're going to put it there. Right? Then it's really simple. We just drag all of the scripts in the backpack out into the main field. And if they overlap each other like this right now, don't worry, we're going to fix that later. We drag that there. And then we're doing this last one here. Right? And then you should have the 4 scripts stacked on top of each other. So just click to close the backpack. And here's what we're going to do next. If you're using a mouse, you're going to right-click on the screen, and you should see a list come up. If you're not using a mouse, you're using a touchpad, you're going to use 2 fingers on the touchpad. Now, I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but Scratch isn't really friendly with phones and tablets. So unless you have a keyboard and a mouse connected to your phone or tablet, this isn't going to work. And what you're going to do when this menu pops up is you can add a comment, clean up blocks, and delete, which you don't want to do. You want to click Clean Up. And boom. All of them just right here. Obviously, I want to move the strawberry a little more this way. There we go. And now we just need to change everything. So go to Variables. And we're going to make a new variable once my thing stops lagging. And we're going to call it strawberry. Definitely did not spell that right. Strawberry cost. There we go. And we're going to uncheck that so it doesn't show. And we're going to take banana cost out of there. And now we're going to add strawberry cost in there. Now we're going to take out all banana cost and drag strawberry cost to wherever it was. So strawberry cost replaces banana cost. This banana cost, also change it to strawberry. And then we're changing this one to another strawberry. Okay, next is to think of what the strawberry is actually going to do. Let's do strawberry adds, here, let me see what we had for banana. I think we had it with 1, plus 1 per click. Strawberry adds plus, let's do plus 10 per click. Cost. And then we're going to do strawberry cost. Okay, we're almost done setting up the strawberries. See how easy this is? Now we just head back to Apple, go up to here and add set banana cost, or whatever it says, 0. Change banana or whatever to strawberry cost. And let's make the cost 1,000. Seems like a reasonable number for 10 extra per click. And then change per click up here in strawberry, change per click to 10. And I believe strawberry is done. So for the sake of testing, I'm going to add some code right here. You don't do this. This is just for some testing. So I'm going to do when space key pressed, control, no, variables, set clicks to, and let's just do a random number, 99999999999, yeah, whatever. All right. So here's our menu. Wait, where's game music? All right, here we go. Here's our menu, and we hit space, and now we have a bunch of clicks. And let's go and buy the strawberry. And now we should get 10 per click. Yeah, we get 11 per click. And that's going up pretty fast there. And there we go. Simple, right? So now we're going to head back to shop. Here we are. And let's add our next one. See how simple this is? Or not upload sprite. I don't want to upload a sprite. No, don't take me to files. Okay, let's try that again. Choose a sprite. Okay, there we go. That's what we want. And when this loads, we're just going to click on food and hopefully it loads. Food, there we go. Yeah, now we're on food. Okay. And we did a strawberry. You know what? Should I do my logo or what looks like my logo? Or this code at Candy Heart? Never stop coding. Copyright, code freshly juiced. That was a joke. Ooh, I'm liking the juice. That does look like my logo. You know what? For the sake of cringe, here it is. It's my logo. And watch how simple this is. You just drag all the code back in. So there's that. And there's that one. And then we'll put this one in, and there's that one. And then we'll put this one in, and there we go. So now we're going to close the backpack, clean up the blocks, and we'll start changing it. So make a new variable, and I'm going to call it logo cost. But you can call yours whatever you want. I'm calling mine logo because, like I said before, it looks like a lot like my logo, which I will put up for you on screen now. That is my logo. Okay. So we're going to uncheck it, and then we're going to start changing everything again. So take out banana cost, make it logo cost. Take out banana cost, make it logo cost. Take out banana cost, and make it logo cost. Oh, we don't want to do that. Nope, don't do what I just did. Don't get rid of this one. There we go. Now we change banana cost, the logo cost, and then we'll get rid of banana cost, and we'll add logo cost back. Anywhere where there was original cost, so we did ours on bananas, so it'll be banana cost. Get rid of it, and then change it with whatever you're doing. So for the game, I'm gonna make it orange, obviously, because it's an orange, but we're just gonna acknowledge that it's my logo. And we're gonna do ads 10 per second. Cost is logo cost. Perfect. Now we're gonna head back to Apple. Said head back. Okay, there we go. And if my computer will drag this upward so kindly. Okay, now we're going to do set banana cost again, but obviously we're going to change it to logo cost. And we're also going to make this 1,000. No, you know what? Just because I can, I'm going to make it 1,001. Boom. Ultimate Hacker. 1001 cost. Okay. And I want my orange to be the juice variant, so I'm going to go to costumes. I'm going to click orange 2B. There we go. Much better. Juice. And there we go. So I'm going to head back to Apple. And I'm going to change this. This doesn't need to be 999, so I'm just going to make it 2000. There we go. And let's test it out. Okay, so we're clicking. Oh, I got 2,000 clicks. Oh, wow, so good. Okay, banana cost. Add that properly. I'm not going to test egg yet. I'm going to test strawberry. 10 per click. Oh, lag. Okay, so that works just fine. Now I'm going to test the egg, and it is adding 1 per second. And now I'm going to test orange. Why isn't it working? Oh, okay. So what we forgot to do here was change per click by 1 to per second by 10. There we go. And now we'll... Oh, look at me, I'm clicking. Oh, look at all the clicks. Oh, wait, what's happening? Oh, it's saving. That must be why it's lagging. Oh, dear. Lag is insane right now. You're clicking, and oh my god, I have 2,000 points now. Okay. Banana cost. Adds 2 per click. Strawberry. Adds 10 per click. Egg. Adds 1 per second. 58, 69, 70, 71. Alright. That's going up, right? Now we do orange. Adds 10 per second. Cost 1,001. And there we go. It's adding 1 per second. And if you couldn't tell, we're going to do it again. Leave 2,000. There it is. It's slowly going up. So I want to say that's going to be it for this tutorial on how to make a clicker game.